Hey, hi guys. So this is the tutorial how you can actually load the gamma exposure, so which is known as GEX. Okay, so you just go to this icon here. Okay, you go to customize, and then you just have to find one of your empty script from here. It's like customize layer, information layer, empty script, and then you just have to probably make sure that is on the daily time frame and just have to load the script. Okay, just load the script in and that's it. Okay, so I have the gets here. To gain my exposure is actually the formula calculated by open interest times gamma. So uh, call will be positive gamma, puts will be negative gamma, so that's why there's a -1 and 1. Okay, so I just close it off, and then this is the option expiry on the 27th of November 23. Okay, so you can see I actually highlighted above 500 point gets we will get some kind of a signal. So this is one which is probably on the 7, but it's actually it's added money, so nothing special. So on the other hand, on the put side, we have actually 388. 388 probably the price might go there. So the price might drop to 388 because right now after market we are actually at 389.27. So we have some gamma exposure which is at 388. Alright, hope you understand.